We're gonna see if we can get a good one here. How far to go. So I know I told the last one. We're gonna see how far I can go. Make it worth my while. We'll see. Kind of cool. Bumblebee bumble. We'll see. We'll get a third one in here. That's in heck a huge one. Send the camera in, get it fixed.
Please send it to the
Yeah, bad boy.
Let's do it. Mine.
We got the swap meet up over here on the left. This big bad boy. Oh, goodness. Oh my. Big green machine. Not touch. Very nice. Yeah, disappointed, bastard. We'll just have to make do with what we have. We take out the pocket. Homemade stuff here. And then we got it. I've seen this push before. The spot meets up over there. So. Real or not, man. Who said diamonds are girl's best friend? Percy galore. Oh my goodness. How's business today, ladies? How's business today? Pretty cool place. Yeah, we're down to 17%, so wouldn't be surprised. Quick swap here. Give you one more. Leather jackets.
One of the things that
You name it. You need the bikers. Look at the clothing they have here. Oh my goodness. These are pretty nice. We want your clothing, you've got it, man. Yeah. There you go. Hang out all over the place. You can see that. Oh my word. Anyways, yeah, just walk around, show you stuff. Where's left the battery, jewelry, making stuff. Back about the bikes again. For sale. 8,500 inch long.
And he was standing like right there.
Right there. Yep.
Yeah, get it.
Anyways, well, head on back. You got 3. Thought I'd only give you 2.
There, go get one.
But anyways, this is a plastic one, just a no shame. I'm down at 10%, so hope you enjoyed it. I had fun doing it. It's too bad I didn't do the whole thing, but you know, where she goes. Straight out of Minneapolis. Minneapolis 81 in the front court.
Keep them going.
He's sitting there. Yeah. Lay on back. Those little gadgets. More motorcycles. These are professional detailing. Bloodhound. Very nice. One thing with this thing, it gets hot. I'm shocked. A lot longer than I thought I was going to get. Under 5%. It's kind of cool. But anyways, alright, we'll go until it goes to the end here. Walk along here and show you the rest of the bikes to play out today. Right here, hopefully get right here, pretty in pink, very nice. No, maybe next time. Get down at 3%. Get the stairs and get out of here. Shall we? Back to the vehicle. Head on home. I get a new camp. Alright, Donnie Smith Bike Show. 37th Avenue. Annual.
That's the red dot laser.
All kinds of weapons. Anyways, 1%. It's hot. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Alright? See ya.